Welcome.
What is that?
That is a school.
What color is it?
The school is red.
What is that?
That is a roof.
What shape is it?
It is a triangle.
What color is the triangle?
It is orange. Orange.
What is that?
That is a door.
What shape is it?
It is a rectangle.
What color is it?
The rectangle is blue. Blue.
Open the door! Close the door!
What is that?
That is a window.
What shape is it?
It is a square.
What color is it?
The square is green. Green.
Open the window! Close the window!
What is that?
That is a clock.
What shape is it?
It is a circle.
What color is it?
The circle is yellow. Yellow.
The door! The doors! The school! The roof! The clock! The window! The windows! Goodbye!